Amit Kumar Das, a postdoc with Dr. Salma Kauchar at Department of Medicine, Hematology and Oncology at Baylor College of Medicine, Houston, Texas. I will be happy to share with you my career journey here. I am a curious boy from the beginning of. Actually, I just used to ask too many questions, and sometimes my family members irritated with that. And my father was a science teacher in high school. He used to teach science and math there. So I think it is his influence on me that I am getting more interested towards science. And the another thing is that two of my uncles in my family are doctors. One is veterinarian and other is the human doctor. So in my family, there is always a discussion of the science and health. So I think that is also another just cause to inspire me to continue my career in the science field. My first project is focusing on to develop new prostate 3D organoid and 2D cell line models so that they can be used for a wider community. And in my second project, I am now focusing to understand the epigenetic and transcriptional regulation of the neuroendocrine prostate cancer, which is the most lethal form of prostate cancer and has a very low survival rate. I am a curious person and I always draw with my interests. I always do the things what I want to do. So there is not any clear preset plan for me all my career. Actually, I born in a small village in India, and my father is partly a teacher and partly a farmer. So in our home, we have a lot of animals are there, cattle, sheep, goat. So from the childhood, I grown up in between the animals, and my uncle is a veterinarian. So I think that influenced me to go to the veterinary science. So I did my first degree as the doctor of veterinary science in India. And during my degree, I becomes interested in the basic science more in comparison to the clinical part. And I getting more interested towards biochemistry, microbiology, and pharmacology instead of the gynecology, medicine, surgery, those things. So after completing my Doctor of Veterinary Science degree, I want to change my field to the basic science. So I took a Master of Veterinary Science course in my in clinical animal biochemistry, and after completing that, I did my PhD in cellular and molecular endocrinology. And for the higher and to expand my knowledge in the this basic science research, I come to US and join as a postdoc for the prostate cancer. So currently I am doing the translational currently I am trying to bridge the gap between basic science and translational science in the prostate cancer, and trying to understand the transcriptional and epigenetic regulations in the prostate cancer. I am grateful to my family for support me in this long career path, because I got my veterinary degree in 2008. So I might have joined some job or something, but my family never forced me. They told me, okay, just go for that, whatever you want. So that is the reason I went for my master's degree and then my PhD, and currently I'm a postdoc. So I'm grateful to them actually. To set up my own lab as an independent investigator, and the major focus area in my new setup will be to understand the epigenetic and transcriptional regulation in prostate cancer, and I will also try to bridge a gap in the basic science and translational research using my veterinary degree and my basic science experience, and try to develop new therapeutic approach for the prostate cancer. I enjoyed my every day as a scientist. Some days are fun, some days are sad when you failed some experiments and you did not able to understand the things, what is going on. but most of the days are fun because you get to learn something, you get something to help other person, and the most satisfying thing is that the feeling I get that I am able to help the mankind with something by providing some new model for the research or identifying from some new therapeutic approach so that it will ultimately help the prostate cancer patients, and so that they will be a little bit healthier and happier in their life. So that one is the most satisfying part for me. And for the advice for this new scientists who are coming up, I have a few for them from my own experience. First one is to please do the things that what you want most, and don't force yourself to do the things you don't want. And the second one is be kind, be truthful, and be respectful to yourself as well as to others. And the third is the try to help others as much as you can, because that when you help others, it is the most satisfying part you will get. And try to learn every day, whatever you can. It may be something else out of your field. And that what I usually do, that whenever I used to go a conference which is not in my field, I used to attend the talk out of my subject so that I can just learn more things.